Good morning, everyone. Today we will start next chapter, arithmetic progressions. Chapter number 5, page number 93. Chapter 5. Arithmetic progression. First of all, see on your book, there is one introduction part. There are few examples given on your book. First is like Reena applied for a job and got selected. She has been offered a job with a starting monthly salary of rupees 8,000 with an annual increment of rupees 500 in her salary. First, second and third year will be respectively. See on your book. I am not going to write it on the board. इसमें क्या दिया हुआ है that the starting salary 8,000 then per year 500 increase हो रहा है. First is 8,000 then 8,500 then 9,000 and so on. इस तरह दिया हुआ है. In second, first we will see all the examples, then we will come to what is arithmetic progression. Then the second one is the length of the rungs of ladder decreased uniformly by 2 cm from the bottom to top. The bottom rung is 45 cm in length. The length of the first, second, third, and so on 8 rungs from the bottom to the top respectively are 45, 43, then 41, 39, and so on. Means 2 cm को decrease हो रही है. 45 minus 2, 43 minus 2, 41 minus 2, 39 minus 2, and so on. In next is, in a saving scheme, the amount becomes 5 by 4 times of itself after every 3 years. The maturity amount of an investment of 8,000 after 3, 6, 9, and 12 years will be respectively given below. It is 10,000, 12,500, 15,000, 625, and so on. In fourth example, the number of unit squares in squares with the side 1, 2, 3 units. It is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and so on. In fifth example, Shakila put rupees 100 in her daughter's money box when she was 1 year old and increased it 550. 100 से start किया, then it increased 50, then 150, 200, and 250. इस तरह दिया होगा 100, 150, 200, 250, and so on. Now in these set of numbers हम क्या चेक कर रहे हैं, क्या इनमें फाइंड आउट किया हमने कि हर टर्म आपके यहाँ पे 500 एक फिक्स्ड वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो रही है उनकी, इसमें एक फिक्स्ड वैल्यू डिक्रीज हो रही है. Here also 50 plus 50 plus 50 एक फिक्स्ड वैल्यू के साथ वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो रही है, right? So in the given term, in the given these sequence of numbers, in the given these list of numbers, each next term is obtained by adding some fixed number in the previous number, right? हर नंबर जो हमारे पास सेकंड नंबर आ रहा है वो फर्स्ट नंबर में कुछ ऐड कर रहे हैं आ रहा है. लाइक हियर हमने अगर यहाँ पे -2 ऐड कर रहे हैं, -2 ऐड किया 43 आया, -2 ऐड किया 41 आया, -2 ऐड किया we get 39, right? इस तरह जब हम कोई फिक्स्ड नंबर प्रीवियस नंबर में ऐड करके कोई लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स हमारे पास बनता है, दैट लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स इज कॉल्ड AP. AP means arithmetic progression, right? Now see on page number 95, article 5.2. Page number 95, article 5.2. Here some numbers are given. Consider the following numbers. Now note down this. Numbers are, first of all, right, consider the following list of numbers. Right here, they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Second numbers are given 170, 170, 40 and so on till -3, -2, -1, 0 and so on. Fourth series is 3, 3, 3 and so on. And fifth one is -1.0, -1.5, -2 and so on. Now in each of these, the next term of the each is obtained by adding some fixed value in the preceding value. Like in first example check करो. Each term, these are called the terms. जो numbers लिखे इनको terms बोलते हैं. Like this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and so on up to nth term. Each term is one more than the preceding. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 में 1 add करेंगे 3 means पर next term अपनी preceding term में अगर 1 add करेंगे तो next term बनेगी. Each next term we get by adding 1 in the preceding term. In the second example, each term is 30 less than the preceding term. 30 less than 100 minus 30, 70 minus 30, 40 minus 30, next 10 आ जाएगा and so on. Or we can also say like this, that it is if we add minus 30 in the preceding term, 100 plus of minus 30, 70 plus of minus 30, 40 plus of minus 30, right? And the next one is -3, -2. Each term is obtained by adding 1 to the preceding term. Plus 1 किया we get -2. Plus 1 किया we get -1. Plus 1 किया we get 0. Plus 1 करेंगे we get 1 and so on. Next, fourth example is all the terms in the list are 3. All terms are 3. It means we have to add 0 in the preceding term. तभी हमारे पास 3 आएगा. That is, each term is obtained by adding 0 to the term preceding it. 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0. Fixed value add हो रही है. And in last example, each term is obtained by adding minus 0.5. Minus 1.0 में add कर दो minus 0.5. What you get? Minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 में minus 1.5 में add कर दो minus 0.5. What you get? Minus 2.0. Means you have to add minus 0.5 to the each preceding term. Any doubt in these examples? अभी हमने सिर्फ इतना पढ़ा है. इस टाइप के लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स जिसमें हर टर्म प्रीसीडिंग टर्म में कुछ फिक्स वैल्यू ऐड करके जब हमारे पास नेक्स्ट टर्म आती है, इस टाइप की जो लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स होते हैं उनको बोलते हैं अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. एनी डाउट इन दीज एग्जांपल्स? देन वी विल कम टू द डेफिनेशन. Okay, now who will tell me the definition of arithmetic progression in your own words? Yes, Mehak.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, arithmetic progression is the list of numbers in which each number is obtained by adding 1 in the preceding number.
1 नहीं, a fixed number. वो 1 हो सकता है, 2 हो सकता है, 50 हो सकता है, 100 हो सकता है, right? Okay. So write down arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. Write down. First give heading. First of all, note down these examples. पहले ये numbers लिखो. Then come to the definition. अगर ऐसे नहीं होता, सपोज फर्स्ट नंबर हमारे पास 1 है, सेकंड 4 आ रहा है, नेक्स्ट 6 आ गया. 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. मीन्स अगर फिक्स वैल्यू ऐड करके नेक्स्ट नंबर नहीं आ रहा, देन इट इज नॉट एन एपी. राइट डाउन is arithmetic progression? It is a list of numbers. It is a list of numbers which we can obtain by which we can obtain by adding some fixed value, by adding some fixed value to the preceding term, to the preceding term. Except the first term. अब इसमें जो फिक्स्ड नंबर हम ऐड करते हैं, राइट, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? इट इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस. द फिक्स्ड नंबर इज कॉल्ड कॉमन डिफरेंस. Fixed number is called common difference. और इसको हम स्मॉल d के साथ स्मॉल d. वो नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, d की वैल्यू 0 भी हो सकती है. अभी हमने जो एग्जांपल्स लिखी थी उसमें नेगेटिव वैल्यू भी थी, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू भी हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, नेगेटिव वैल्यू भी ऐड कर रहे हैं और 0 भी ऐड कर रहे हैं, राइट. Write down. It can be positive, negative, or zero. If we denote the first term of an additive with A1, then we go. Fine. If we denote first term with A1, second term A2, third term A3, and so on, another term AN. तो हमारे पास AP क्या बनेगी? Then AP is then the arithmetic progression becomes first is A1, A1, A2, second term A3, and so on up to AN. And if D is the common difference क्या होगा? दोनों वैल्यू का डिफरेंस. A2 minus A1, which is equal to A3 minus A2, which is equal to A4 minus A3, and so on, which is equal to AN minus 1 common difference B. कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या होता है? अभी हमने पढ़ा जो एग्जांपल थी, तो में फिक्स्ड नंबर हम ऐड करके नेक्स्ट नंबर जो हमारे पास आता है, जो फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स का जो टर्म्स के बीच का डिफरेंस है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द common difference. Next item, journal form of an AP. Journal form, if A is the first term and B is the common difference, A is the first term and B is the common difference, then AP becomes first term is A. A common difference D है, it means A plus B. Fixed value add करते जाओ, common difference is D. previous term में D add करोगे A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. If there are only finite number of terms, अगर सिर्फ finite number of terms आ रही हैं AP में, then that AP is called finite AP. अगर उसमें infinite number of terms हैं, that AP is called infinite arithmetic progression. Need not to write, you just remember it. It is given in your book. There are only a finite number of terms. Such AP is called finite AP. Also note that each of these arithmetic progression has the last term. Obviously, जिसमें finite numbers होंगे उसमें last term mention होगी. Then the AP in the given examples are not finite, so that they are infinite. अब जो आपको examples दी गई हैं, जो अभी हमने example board पे मैंने लिखी थी, उसमें last value given नहीं थी, so that they are infinite arithmetic progressions. Such APs do not have last term. Now, any doubt up to here? It is for the AP for the AP क्या given है हमारे पास 3/2, 1/2, 1/2, minus 1/2, minus 3/2. Write the first term and the common difference, and so on. Write the first term, write the first term and the common difference. Can you write? First term is 3/2. Okay, first term को A के साथ रखते हैं, so first term is 3/2. How to find the common difference? अभी हमने लिखा था common differences. Then the series is A1, A2, A3 up to so on. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2 means the second term minus the preceding term. Half minus 3/2. ये कितना आ जाएगा? 1 minus 3/2 minus 2/2, which is equal to minus 1. So by this way we can find first term and the common difference. Any doubt in this example? Now write down the two. First First write down the numbers 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. And the second one is triple one, triple two, triple three and so on. आपको चेक करना है कि ये जो लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं ये एपी फॉर्म कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. हाउ कैन यू चेक? चेकिंग के लिए वही a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3, right? For the first one, first solution. मैंने क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखा, आपको यहाँ पे चेक करना है whether the given list of numbers are in AP or not, right? Like first is 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. कैसे चेक करना है आपने? A2 minus A1. A2 represents the second term, A1 represents the first term, or A2 minus A. It is 10 minus 4, 6. Next is A3 minus A2. 16 minus 10, 6. Then A3 minus A, A4 minus A3. It is 22 minus 16 again, 6. Common difference सब में same आ रहा है. अगर कॉमन डिफरेंस मींस ये फिक्स्ड वैल्यू जो हमने ऐड की थी वो फिक्स्ड वैल्यू फिक्स्ड है, सो द गिवन लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स आर इन एपी. अगर ये सेम नहीं होते, हमारे पास कोई वैल्यू 6 आ गई, कोई 7 आ गई, कोई 3 आ गई, देन इवन अगर एक भी डिफरेंट वैल्यू आ जाती है कॉमन डिफरेंस की, देन द गिवन लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स आर नॉट इन एपी. नाउ सिंस द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज सेम, then common difference, or you can write value of p, common difference is same, therefore the given list of numbers are in AP. Therefore given list of numbers are in AP. Similarly find the second one. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 minus 1 आ गया, right? So these list of numbers are not in AP. Do second one yourself. अगर तो ये क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यू टाइप आता है, 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन आता है, नो नीड टू राइट डाउन ऑल द स्टेप्स, सिंपल चेक फ्रॉम द सीरीज. आप और भी कर सकते हो. 4 minus 10 minus 4 6, 16 minus 4 3 minus 10 6, 22 minus 16, then you simply write yes because the common difference is same. अगर एमसीक्यू आता है फिर तो आप नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं करोगे स्टेप्स. आप सिंपली लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स को चेक करके write it whether they are in AP or not. हाँ, अगर 2 marks में आता है क्वेश्चन, then you have to show their common difference. Note down this. Now next, before question number 1, we will do question number 2. 5 minutes are left. We will do question number 1 tomorrow. First, we will do question number 2. Question number 2 is, write the first 4 terms of an AP when the first term and the common difference D are given as follows. First term हमें दी हुई है 10 and the common difference में कितना दिया हुआ है 10. We have to form here AP. AP हमने बनानी है. We know that AP की जनरल फॉर्म अभी हमने की थी क्या थी? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. अगर नहीं भी आपने इस तरह लिखना, D आपके पास common difference दिया हुआ है. It means when we subtract the first, second and the preceding term, we get the 10. It means to see हमारे पास AP बन रही है, वो first term में 10 add करके बन रही है. Or you can also find from here. First term is A, so A is 10. Second term is A plus D. 10 plus 10, it is 20. Then A plus 2D. 10 plus 2 into 10, 20 means 30. Then A plus 3D. 10 plus 30 is 40. आप डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हो और you can also follow these steps. Therefore, the AP is 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. आप डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हो because the common difference 10 is given. Simply 10 10 add करते जाओ preceding term में, you get the AP. Any doubt in this question? So do all the parts in classwork. Third question homework में होगा. In third question for the following APs write the first term and the common difference. आपको first term लिखनी है और common difference लिखनी है. You can write it easily. Now complete all the parts. Second part is -2 and B is 0. So it is A plus B plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Then A is 2, then A plus D. 2 plus 0, 2, sorry, -2. A plus 2B, it is again -2 plus 0, -2 and so on. Therefore, AP is -2, -2, -2,